Hello, we're just going to go quickly through this problem that you'll see in the question that follows, finding the equation of a line when we're given very limited information, but enough, crucially, to get the answer. We're told that there's a line with a gradient of -2, so it'll look like this kind of thing, and that goes through the point 3, 4. That's enough information, so here's where we start. We've got our general equation of the line. We know the gradient is -2, so we're going to put that in. First step, substitute the gradient. Y equals -2x plus c. The next thing is to put in our values of our point. 3 and 4 are an x and y combination that are true for this equation. So by putting them in, it'll help us find this unknown value of c where the line crosses the y-axis. So what's the y value of this point? 4. So 4 equals -2 times the x is 3 plus c. So 4 is -6 plus c, and if you rearrange that, you can get to c equals 10. Right? That's the next step. That's, I guess, the second step, third step, to solve for c. And then the fourth step is to put it all back together into our general equation. Y equals -2x plus 10, the end. Solved. Hope that was helpful. Thanks very much for watching.